Then up comes the document, and you will hear
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
specific. So again, you've personalized it, you've printed it, and now you are protected. This is actually what these documents look like. This is just the will and the trust.